Common residential roof issues and how to fix them. Hey there, homeowners. Ron Radcliffe here from King of Prussia, PA, and I've seen my fair share of rooftop trouble. Let's break down the most common residential roof problems and how to fix them so you can keep your home safe and sound. Roof leaks are like uninvited guests, annoying and always showing up at the worst time. You'll spot them by water stains, mysterious drips, or a musty smell creeping from the attic. Quick fixes include patching the area or replacing damaged shingles. Also, check that flashing, it should be sealed tight. Next up, damaged or missing shingles. These are your roof's first defense, and when they go bad, you'll know it. Look out for cracked shingles, curling corners, or bald spots where granules have vanished. Fix them by replacing the shingles or resealing loose ones with roofing cement. It's easier than you think. Head over to rockroofingcontractor.com if you're not sure what you're looking at. Now let's talk about flashing, the metal that should hug your chimney like an Eagles fan to playoff tickets. If it's pulling away or you see water streaks, it's time for action. Secure loose flashing with roof cement or nails, and seal any gaps before water finds its way in. A quick check is free. Ignoring it? That could cost you big later. Poor roof ventilation is another silent threat. If your attic feels like a sauna, you've got a problem. Excess heat or moisture can lead to mold and shingle rot fast. Install vents or fans and make sure soffits aren't blocked to get that air flowing. Ice dams can form in winter when warm air escapes your attic and refreezes on the roof. Watch for icicles or wintertime ceiling stains, they're red flags. Prevent them by beefing up your attic insulation and installing heat cables to melt away buildup. Whether it's a small leak or a full replacement, Rock Roofing Contractor has your back. We've worked on more roofs in King of Prussia than we can count. Your story could be our next success. Don't guess when it comes to roof issues. Trust the pros at Rock Roofing. Protect your home and sleep easy. No buckets, no drips, just peace of mind. Call us at 855,773 ROCK or visit rockroofingcontractor.com to schedule your free roof inspection today.